All right. What is going on? We are starting our Asian session for the 13th. It's gonna be for the 14th, but this is the Asian session for gold. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the trade that I took in New York today. So we take a look at our performance. And this trade here, I took NQ sales to fill a wick, and I will show you guys what that wick looked like and why I ended up taking it. So if we just take a look here, let me pull up the NASDAQ NQ. All right, so what time was that? That was around this time. Yeah, this sale right. Yep, this sale right here. So I was looking at it on the 15. We created this support here. So we ended up creating this support here. So we broke out these levels, close above. This was the CPI candle. So we did have CPI news. So this CPI candle. So we had all of this range to fill and to retest these levels after this CPI news. We had just hit targets on the 4-hour. So if you see on the 4-hour, we had just hit targets. And so taking a look at this, I was like, okay, we hit targets. I am open for both buys and sales. I was looking for buys for a retest and a closure above that level and a break. So we didn't get that bottom wick, so I couldn't take these buys, but I saw a strong support being formed right here with this green candle. So I put a strong support and I waited for price to either push up and create a higher high or close below this level. So with us tapping targets, I was waiting for that closure below to fill this range here. So I ended up getting in on the breakup here. So my trade looks something like this. And CP was somewhere around here. And so that was my trade, and and that was my trade for New York session. So that was NQ. I said I was going to start trading NQ. So yeah, that was the trade for New York session today. All right, and so now let's take a look at gold. So a top-down analysis for gold. We have pushed up. CPI pushed us up, hit targets, and now we have we closed bearish for the day. So I am open to sales. We hit targets when all-time highs, possibly retracement from that all-time highs to fill this range to continue up. Overall, I'm still bullish in long term, but right now I am bearish. The 4-hour is showing that we are bearish as well with no bottom wick. So we're in between this range here, and so this it's showing no bottom wick, which meaning that we could possibly come back to that. So I'm open to sales for that 4-hour to create that bottom wick. We still have 2 hours and 33 minutes left on this 4-hour for it to come back down, create that bottom wick, fill this wick, and continue to fill this range. So that is what I'm open to. 1 hour, we are just consolidating within this range, and this is a huge range. This is 500 pip range. So gotta really be patient and be meticulous about these sales and these buys. And so this is the 30. So if we want to kind of trap price, we have a support here, and then we have a resistance here. So closures above, we can look for buys, but it looks like it has tapped target here or close to tapping target. So I am open to both buys and sales, but mostly sales. So if it gives me an opportunity to where it pulls back and creates a strong support like this, and then I will get in on the break of that candle to take back up to these highs. So that is what I'm looking for on gold right there. If not, we can get closure below these levels and take these sales on down. So if we get something to close below, another bullish candle, and then a break of that low, similar to what right here, similar to something like this, a break of this low and continue on down. So that is what I'm looking for on gold. And yeah, so I probably will take a look at NQ. Let me see, just a quick one, quick top-down analysis. Right now we are ranging on the daily. We finished off bullet, meaning bearish. On the 4 hour, we are in this ugly range right here. We're hitting this range. On the 1 hour, we're ranging a lot. We can close this up a little bit. We got here, and can we put it here? Yep. So buys above this level maybe, and sells below here. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes, see if we can narrow it down just a little bit. Yeah, so this is pretty much the range. I'll put it right here, give me more of a confluence. So yeah, this is pretty much the range that I'm trading in Q. I am mostly open to sell, so we have to just wait and see how price acts. I really want to trap price right here. Yeah, I think I like this better. Trapping price right here, open to sales. Yeah, I want to trap price there because we got clean range to the downside and clean range to the upside. Breaks below, close below here, we're taking sales down. Breaks above here, we're taking sales to finish this up. So this is it. So this is my top-down analysis, and we'll see what Asian session has in store for us. Just being patient, being patient, consistent, and disciplined to the plan. So we'll see. All right, so I am looking at NQ for sales. This is my sales below and then my buys above, and it was just the 1 hour closure and the 30-minute closure. So if we can get like a small wick that comes down and then comes up and re-breaks that bottom wick, I'm in on that re-break of the bottom wick to feel this range coming down. So just being patient, just wait. We did get the closure below, but yeah, let's take it and be patient. All right, so we have this closure above this range. I was looking for sales because we closed below, and then was waiting for this wick down, but now we have close above, and then the 4 hour needing to come back up and make a top wick. I am looking for buys. So this is a breakout onion. So I'll get in at the break of these highs here, and then break even and TP. All right, so that ends the Asian session. Didn't take any trades. NQ has just been chopping around. This is the 15-minute, and then this is the 30-minute. It has just been chopping around. And then if we take a look at MGC, take a look at gold. Gold has just been going up. No way of entry, anything. So patience pays. So we just come back tomorrow. I'm gonna be trading New York session. So it's gonna be good. We're gonna be good. So I might trade London tonight as well. So, but yep, nothing in the Asian. So patience pays. Just staying patient to the plan. Discipline, be consistent to the strategy. So we'll see you guys on the next one.